Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's a little bit frosty on my walk today. So, frosty, fresh, love it. Just started my walk. It'll probably come up 5 minutes, 0.2 miles. Look at the sky, look at the day. 16 weeks today that the accident happened. That's a third of a year. That's a long time. Walking better, feeling better, sleeping better. Things are improving. What more could one ask? I'm going to go for a drive today again on this fabulous day. I might even go and have some cheesecake, and we know where that comes from, don't we, boys and girls? Hey, well, see how many times I get round today. Happy days.
Time, 5 minutes. Distance, 0.18 miles.
Ooh, I've gone a bit slower. I've warmed up now. I've taken my hat off. This is the 4th time round, and this will do for this morning. I'll do the same this afternoon. A couple of miles a day, and that's making me feel a lot better. It's all about motivation, but motivation comes and goes. It's resilience. It's constant and never-ending improvement, or canny for short. You gotta go a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit further. Do 2 steps, not just 1. Go 6 steps further than you've done the last time. And then 6 steps further. You'd be amazed at the improvement you'll make. But what a fantastic day to be alive. 16 weeks ago it nearly ended. I've been left on the planet for a reason. That reason? Well, it's becoming brighter. Bye-bye for now.